day today, no fever.
A number of Niagara pharmacies have been administering COVID-19 vaccinations over the past few weeks, and many more are in the process of opening their doors as supplies increase. With that in mind, the Source checked in with Sean Simpson, who operates Simpson's Pharmacies in Virgil.
It's been good on our end so far. I mean, there's been challenges, a lot of uncertainty with timing of supply and things of that nature. And I think, when you think back on it, though, we know that, on a federal level, we're receiving shipments sporadically too. So it only makes sense that trickles down to the local level as well. So all in all, we've just been really pleased to be able to offer the vaccine, and number two, to be able to work down our waiting list, and to a point now where we don't have a lot of people waiting a long time for vaccine, and we just hope people continue to sign up and get vaccinated.
Simpson also sits on the Niagara Region's COVID-19 vaccination task force that has been meeting regularly to plan the Niagara rollout of the vaccine.
Dr. Deck's been a really great chair, and everybody's very respectful of each other's opinions, and we have good discussions. Get a lot of information, which is great, and I think the sharing as well across that group has helped. And I think the other thing that we've been able to do is through working together, we've been able to collectively help address gaps that may exist, and knowing where to point people in the right direction where there are people that may feel like they might be falling through the cracks. And so hopefully we can continue to tighten that up as the weeks and months go by.
Are you hopeful that those that do get vaccinated share their story with others?
Absolutely. I think the one thing that we'd love to see more of is a real focus on the people that are getting vaccinated, seeing what their experience has been like, and certainly showing that overall it's been a safe experience for many, and encouraging everybody. I think we're all tired of lockdown and restrictions on our daily living activities, and I think the main message is the sooner everybody gets vaccinated, the more things are likely to open up, and the healthier the population is going to be, the hospitals will be less crowded, and there's one way to really help end this pandemic, and that's to get yourself vaccinated and help others get vaccinated as quickly as possible.
What's your snapshot in looking forward? What are the keys and what are the challenges?
Well, the keys is to keep the flow coming. So certainly we want to keep the supply coming. We also want to keep the supply of people coming in to get the vaccine. So, we're working through a bit of a pent-up demand. And then as that initial demand sort of levels off, then we need to look at whether we're going to be opening up to more people that can get vaccinated, or whether we're going to get access to other vaccines like the Pfizer vaccine, as an example, that would allow us to vaccinate any member regardless of age. So those are the things that we're kind of keeping an eye on. The other thing, is we know that everything we do today, we're basically repeating in 4 months. The interval for the second appointment is 16 weeks out. So as we plan our workforce and our labor, we have to be prepared that everything we do, we're going to do it again in 4 months' time. So we're trying not to exhaust ourselves too quickly, make sure that the pace is manageable, and that everything's safe for staff as well as the patients that come in.
In Niagara, you're watching The Source on YourTV.